Hello friends, I welcome you all in this lecture 8 of the lecture series on JRF ABM exam. I have brought a very important topic for your exam point of view, that is livestock production. This particular area you can expect more than 10 questions in your exam, and from this particular video itself I am sure that more than 5 plus questions you may expect. So please watch the video till the end. So, first of all, cattle breeds. In India, two type of cattle breeds are there: indigenous cattle breeds and exotic cattle breeds. So, indigenous cattle breeds, the scientific name is Bos indicus, and exotic, the scientific name is Bos taurus. And indigenous cattle breeds, the breeds which are particularly found in India itself, those are known as indigenous, and exotic, which are of foreign origin. Okay, so again, the indigenous cattle breeds are divided into three subcategories: milch animals, milch cattle, dual purpose cattle, and draught cattle. Milch, the purpose, as the name indicates, is for milk purpose. Dual purpose, for milk and draught purpose both. And draught purpose is exclusive for draught purpose, that is the animals which are used specifically for the agricultural operations, transportations, carriage, bullock carts, etc. So those are known as draught animal. So under milch cattle, the main breeds are Sindhi, Sahiwal, Gir, and Devni. So please remember these names: Sindhi, Sahiwal, Gir, and Devni. They are milch type indigenous cattle breeds. Then dual: Haryana, Ongole, Tharparkar, and Kankaraj. These are dual purpose cattle breed indigenous category. Again, the drought category cattles are Kangayam, Amblacheri, Amrit Mahal, and Halikar. Again, the exotic animals breed, exotic cattle breeds are Jersey and Holstein Friesian. So this is very much important. You must remember the names and categories under milch, because the common question which can be imposed is, name the milch animal, or the particular breed belongs to which category, whether it is milch animal, whether it is dual animal, whether it is draught animal. So this is very much important. Now again, going to details of milch cattle: Sahiwal, Gir, and Devni Red Sindhi. Sahiwal is found in Haryana, Punjab, and Uttar Pradesh. Gir is found in Rajasthan and Gujarat, and Devni is found in Andhra Pradesh. Red Sindhi is found in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So Sahiwal is found in Haryana, Punjab, and Uttar Pradesh. Gir is found in Rajasthan, Gujarat, as name indicates. Gir forest. Gir means Gujarat. Devni is found in Andhra Pradesh, and Red Sindhi is found in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Again, repeating, these all are milch cattle breeds. So I hope you got remembered all these things, that milch cattle, cow, Sahiwal, Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi; Gir, Rajasthan, Gujarat; Devni, Andhra Pradesh; Red Sindhi, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Moving ahead, draught animals. So breeds of cattle: Kangayam is found in Tamil Nadu and Kerala; Amblacheri found in Tamil Nadu; Amrit Mahal found in Karnataka; Helikar found in Karnataka. Amrit Mahal is important, it has been asked once. So Amrit Mahal is found in Karnataka, Helikar is found in Karnataka, Amblacheri is found in Tamil Nadu, and Kangayam is found in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So these all are the drought variety of the cattle. So moving ahead, some of the dual purpose breeds: Ongole. Ongole is found in Andhra Pradesh. Haryana is found in Haryana and Delhi. Kankaraj is found in Gujarat. Tharparkar found in Rajasthan. Rathi found in Rajasthan. Krishna Valley found in Andhra Pradesh. So this is important. These are dual purpose cattle breed. Ongole is found in Andhra Pradesh. Haryana is found in Haryana and Delhi. Kankraj is found in Gujarat. Tharparkar found in Rajasthan. Rathi found in Rajasthan, and Krishna Valley is found in Andhra Pradesh. Some important facts regarding the cattle breeds. Red Sindhi, the milk yield is over 3,400 kilogram per lactation, and the Jersey, it is originated in island of Jersey, and the milk yield is 5,307 kilogram milk in each lactation, and Jersey is a breed which produces 13 times of the body weight. The milk produced by Jersey cow is 13 times of its body weight. Then Holstein Friesian, the origin is from Netherlands, and it produces 7,896 kilogram milk in each lactation. So from these facts, it is clear that Holstein Friesian is the highest milk yielding variety in the world, which yields 7,896 kilogram milk in each lactation. Kangayam is a drought animal which is mostly found in South India. So here some photos of the cow breeds. Tharparkar, you can see Tharparkar, Sindhi, Sahiwal, Haryana, Ongole, Kankraj, Gir, Baragur, and Galau. These are exotic cow breeds: Holstein Friesian, Jersey, Curran Swiss, and Brown Swiss. Now some of the questions, let us see. Which cow breed is having the longest lactation period? Jersey. Jersey cow is having longest lactation period, and it gives milk for 365 days. Okay. Best indigenous dairy breed of cattle in India, Sahiwal. Sahiwal is best indigenous dairy breed of cattle in India. Breed of cattle that produces maximum quantity of milk, we have already discussed, it is Holstein Friesian. Best dual purpose breed of cattle, that is Haryana. Best dual purpose breed of cattle is Haryana. So best indigenous cattle is Sahiwal, best dual purpose breed is Haryana. Ongole is a breed of cattle. We have discussed this breed. Best drought breed of cattle, it is Amrit Mahal, which is found in which state? Karnataka. Devni breed of cattle belongs to which state? So it belongs to Andhra Pradesh. Gir breed of cattle belongs to which state? It belongs to Gujarat, Rajasthan. Red Sindhi breed of cattle belongs to which state? So it belongs to Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Halikar breed of cow belongs to which state? It belongs to Karnataka. Amrit Mahal breed of cow belongs to which state? It belongs to Karnataka. Kangayam belongs to which state? Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Krishna Valley breed of cow belongs to which state? It belongs to Andhra Pradesh, and it is a dual purpose variety. Now moving to buffaloes. So the scientific name of the buffalo is Bubalus bubalis, and the major breeds which is found in India is Murra and Surti. Murra breed, the origin is Rohtak, Hisar and Jind of Haryana. The average milk production per lactation is 1500 to 2500 kilogram. The age at first calving is 45 to 50 months in villages, but in good herds 36 to 40 months. Intercalving period is 450 to 500 days. Okay, now the word term has come, intercalving period. What is intercalving period? This is the period between two successive calving. It is more profitable to have one calf yearly in cattle and at least one calf for every 15 months in buffaloes. Okay, intercalving period means uh, the uh, the time period, the gap between the cow give birth to the its offspring, that is called intercalving period. Okay, so it is more from economic perspective, it is important also. One calf per year, that is a thumb rule for cow, and one calf per 15 months, that is a thumb rule for buffalo. So at least cow should give birth to one calf per year. So surti is a breed which belongs to Kara and Baroda district of Gujarat. The milk yield ranges from 900 to 1300 kgs. The age at first calving is 40 to 50 months, with an intercalving period of 400 to 500 days. So the Murrah, the milk yield is high, and here you can see the first calving is happening from 45 to 50 months of the age of buffalo, and the intercalving period is 450 to 500 days. So you can just remember these numbers for Murrah. Okay, coming to the buffalo breeds, these are some breeds and their pictures. Murrah, Nagpuri. So Nagpuri is a breed of buffalo. Murrah is a breed of buffalo. Surti is a breed of buffalo. Bhadavari is a breed of buffalo. Mehsana is a breed of buffalo. And Jafrabadi is a breed of buffalo. So remember these names. These may be asked as it is: Murrah, Nagpuri, Surti, Bhadavari, Mehsana, and Jafrabadi. So all these are the breed of buffalo. So the one-liner questions on buffalo breeds. World's first in vitro fertilized buffalo calf is Pratham. Then highest milk yield buffalo breed, Murrah, obviously. Breed which is having copper colored body, Bhadavari. Biological value of buffalo meat is 50%. Central Institute of Research on Buffaloes is situated in Hisar. So, Central Institute of Research on Buffaloes is situated in Hisar. You can also go to the website of this particular institute and just scroll down to some important news for just knowledge purpose. Maximum fat percentage in milk of Bhadavari. So, fat percent is highest in Bhadavari. Highest milk yielder is Murrah. Wallowing is a common behavior of buffalo. Okay, wallowing is a common behavior of buffalo. Now coming to the general definition of breed. So the definition of breed is like this: breed denotes an established group of animals, birds having the similar general body shape, color, structure, and characteristics, which produces offspring with same characters. Okay, so Murrah breed means the Murrah buffaloes will be same. Okay, across the animal, if you compare Murrah animals, they will be having same general body shape, color, structure, characters. And the if a Murrah cattle is Murrah buffalo is crossed with a Murrah bull itself, then the offsprings which are coming, they will be possessing the same character of Murra breed. Now the crossbreeding. Crossbreeding means mating of animals from two different established breeds. Like in cows, mating of Jersey with Kangayam, mating of Jersey with Holstein Friesian. So these two are totally different, separate, established breeds. So when mating is done between two established breeds, this type of mating is known as crossbreeding. The crossbred animals will exhibit the mixture of quality. Okay, it will not be totally Jersey, it will not be totally Holstein Friesian. So some mixture of qualities they will exhibit. Now, while doing this, there are two types of breeding: inbreeding and outbreeding. Inbreeding means the mating is done between the closely related animals like brother sister mating, parent offspring mating. But there is a problem in inbreeding, problem of homozygosity, uh, increase the chances of offspring being affected with recessive traits. Inbreeding depression means it depresses the characters inability to reproduce. So these are the problems associated with inbreeding. So it is better to go for outbreeding. Outbreeding means mating of unrelated animals, okay, in the same breed, and at least 4 to 6 years 4 to 6 generation gap is to be maintained. Okay, so mating of unrelated animals in the same breed but with no common ancestor for minimum 4 to 6 generation, that is called outbreeding. And if you are going for if we are going for outbreeding, these problems can be solved, that homozygosity, then offspring being affected by recessive traits, inbreeding depression, inability to reproduce, which is the major problem of inbreeding, that can be avoided for if we are going for outbreeding. Grading. Grading is a form of, sorry, this is form. Grading is a form of outcrossing where in bulls of a distinct breed are bred on non-descript cows. ठीक है? What it means that a bull is picked up and the same bull is mated with the non-descript cows from generation to generation, so that in course of time a population essentially resembles the breed from which the bulls are used. Okay, so a non-descript cow is selected, it is mated with a Jersey bull, then the first offspring will have the character of 50% nondescript and 50% Jersey. This first offspring is again mated with the Jersey bull. Thus, outspring which will come will possess 25% characters of nondescript cow and 75% sorry nondescript cow and 75% of character of Jersey. It is again mated with Jersey bull. Okay, then the third generation 12.5% nondescript cow, 87.5% Jersey bull, and it is again mated with Jersey bull. Means you can see that generation on generation basis the nondescript character of the particular cow is reduced from 50% to 25%, 25% to 12%, and the traits of Jersey cattle is increased 50%, 75%, 87%. And after I think seventh generation, the offspring will be of totally Jersey breed. Okay, so that is known as grading. So let us just discuss some traits of the crossbred cattle. Okay, so why we are going for crossbreeding, and what is the benefits of crossbreeding? So you can just see here that age of maturity, local breed, exotic breed, and crossbreed. So age of maturity, the local breeds animal, the maturity is attained at 33 months, exotic breeds 15 months, and if you crossbreed, 18 to 24 months. So why we are going for crossbreed? Why not to domesticate, and dairy farming is done with exotic breeds? It is because exotic breeds are of foreign origin and they are not that much adapt to the Indian conditions. So local breeds are adapt to Indian condition, but their traits, economic traits are not good. So when we are producing the mixture of this, what will happen? The offsprings, the crossbred cows will be of they are adopting the Indian conditions and their economic traits are improved. You can just see here that 33 months age of maturity, a local cow is 33 months, exotic cow is 15 months, crossbred cow how much it is? 18 to 24 months. So it is reduced from 33 months to 18 months. Age of first calving, for local variety it is 42 months, for exotic varieties it is 24 months, and for crossbreed it is 30 months. So see, the it is again the economic rate is favorable and reduced from 42 months to 30 months. It is more than the exotic animal that is there, but exotic animal, pure exotic animal will be not feasible for Indian condition. That's why this crossbreeds are breeded. Lactation yield, see, local variety 1200 kg per lactation. Here exotic animal is giving 3000 to 6000 kilogram per lactation, and now the crossbreed will give 2100 to 2400. Lactation period 180 to 210 days, means animal will give milk from 180 to 210 days. Exotic animal 305 days, and crossbred animal will give milk to, will lactate to 240 to 270 days. Dry period here 90 to 120 days, for exotic 60 days, crossbreed 75 days. So dry period is also reduced. Again intercalving period here in for local breeds it is 18 months, for exotic it is 12 to 13 months, and for crossbreed it will be 13 to 14 months. Now moving ahead, coming to a very important topic, estrus cycle. So friends, as you know that this is a very important topic. Estrus cycle is divided in four cycles: prostrum, oestrum, metastrum, and diastrum. So prostrum ranges for 2 days, Eastrum ranges for 1 day, Metastrum ranges for 4 days, and Diastrum ranges for 14 days. So total it ranges to 14, 4, 18, 19, 21 to 22 days. 21, 18 to normally the range of estrus cycle is 18 to 22 days. So the total range is 18 to 20 days, out of which the shortest period is Eastrum, only 1 day, and the longest period is diastrum, that is 14 days. So what happens, stage wise we will discuss here. So first of all, first stage is prostrum. What happens in these 2 days? Period of building up growth of graphican follicle, which helps for the nourishment of ovum fluid, contains hormone called estrogen. It causes changes in uterus blood supply. Okay, so the graphican follicle grows in the uterus, and which produces, which contains the hormone called estrogen, which is responsible for the animal to come to the heat. So this is the phase where the animal comes in heat and is ready for receiving a male, which is called as estrum. So this is the shortest period, estrum, which comes for just 1 day, and female is ready to receive the male. Then the AI or mating happens, and the semen is ingested in the animal. Then what happens? Metastrum, implantation of embryo. If the animal conceives, the embryo will be implanted. Corpus luteum will take place, and this corpus luteum will eventually prevent the growth of Graafican follicle, thereby arrests estrus cycle. Okay, if the animal has conceived, then what will happen? Corpus luteum will build, which will prevent the growth of Graafican follicle. Why Graafican follicle was coming for? In which stage? Proestrum stage. So if Graafican follicle is coming, Graafican follicle, which is which helps the nourishment for of ovum fluid and containing the hormone estrogen. Graafican follicle, the growth of Graafican follicle is prevented by this carpus luteum, so the animal will not come to heat, and the progesterone hormone will be secreting in this stage, and the cow is now conceived. Suppose if the cow is not has not conceived, what will happen? Then again the cycle will continue, and the fourth stage is diastrum, where further development of uterus take place. If the animal has not conceived, involution of uterus take place. Again, what will happen if the animal has not conceived? Then again the Graafican follicle will be formed, and which will be uh, taking the animal to the heat. So this cycle will continue. Okay, so corpus luteum, what it is? Corpus luteum is a mass of cells that forms in an ovary and is responsible for the production of hormone progesterone during early pregnancy. So progesterone hormone is important for development of this embryo. Okay, so what happens? Corpus luteum will be formed here, and the progesterone hormone will be produced. So corpus luteum is responsible for production of this hormone, which is known as progesterone. So I hope uh, you have understand this estrus cycle. Now going to the symptoms of heats. What are the symptoms of heat? So as we have discussed, the symptoms of heat comes in this second phase of estrus cycle, which is known as estrum. So what is the symptoms of heats? Symptom of heat is off feed. If animal will not eat food, uh, drop in milk yield. If it is lactating animal, the milk yield will be dropped. It will be restless and excited. Bellowing will happen. Swelling of genital area, swelling will come. Frequent urination will come. Transparent mucus discharge will happen from the genital part. Cow, buffalo, which are in heat, will mount on other animals and allow mounting of other animals. So these are few important symptoms of heat. What is the optimum time for crossing? Once the animal has come to heat, what is the optimum time of crossing? So egg or ovum from ovary released about 12 to 18 hours after the onset of symptom of heat. Once the animal comes to heat, the egg will be released after 12 to 18 hours. Okay, now ovum will be the life of ovum is 16 hours. Egg has released Egg has released from ovary about 12 to 18 hours after the onset of symptom of heat, and the life of ovum is 16 hours after the release, and sperm live for 12 to 14 hours. So what will happen if the sign of heat are exhibited in the morning, then the AI, artificial insemination or crossing, will be done after 12 hours delay, so that this the it is matched, means the ovum will be released 12 to 18 hours after coming to heat. So when the AI is done, that time ovum might have been released, okay, and sperm will be ovum will be surviving for 16 hours, and sperm, it will live for 12 to 14 hours. So there will be a fair chances of uh, conceiving by the cow if the AI is done after 12 hours delay of symptoms of heat. Okay, so some important facts are there. Proestrum, this marks the animal coming in heat. Graphian follicle, increased secretion of follicular fluid, increased number of cilia, increased number of vascularity of uterus, increase in thickness of epithelial wall of vagina. The vagina wall adjustment is well filled to prevent possible damage to the wall when coitus occur. Estrum is a phase where this is the period of desire. Graphian follicle ripe at very. So this estrum is the period of desire when the animal is ready to receive the male. Now, this period is brought to an end by rupture of the follicle or ovulation. Vulva becomes swollen, vulva and vagina congested. So, this period, estrum, is brought to an end by the rupture of follicle or ovulation. Metastrum, this is a period when the organ returns to normal non-congested condition. During this period, the cavity of Graphian follicle from which ovum has been expelled becomes recognized and forms a new structure known as corpus luteum. So this we had already discussed. It takes place during this phase, metastrum. It prevents the maturation of further Graphian follicles. So when corpus luteum takes place, what happens? It prevents the maturation of further Graphian follicle, means it gives a signal to the body that I have received the sperm, and now the corpus luteum formation of corpus luteum, uh, which is responsible for implantation of embryo, is on is in the process. So no more further Graphian follicles are needed. So it prevents the maturation of further formation of Graphian follicle. It is implantation of the essential for implantation of the fertilized egg. It is intimately concerned with the development of mammary glands. Okay, so now diastrum, the last phase, longest part of the estrus cycle, and it happens when the animal has not conceived and the cycle goes on. Implantation, uterine milk for the nourishment of the embryo. Prior to implantation, absence of pregnancy, returns to normal, and thus the cycle continues. So that happens in diastrum cycle. So I hope that estrus cycle is very much clear to all of you, and it is very much important for exam point of view also. So again, just a quick revision, the what questions may be asked. I will be just giving a quick review of what we have discussed. So estrus cycle is made of 4 stages, that is proestrum, oestrum, metastrum or diastrum. Proestrum, Graphian follicle takes place. Graphian follicle is responsible for nourishment of ovum fluid, which contains hormone called estrogen. it causes changes in uterus and blood supply. Because of these changes, which is caused by the proestrum stage, what happens, this stage comes estrum, which is for 1 day, where the animal is ready to receive the male, and this changes in uterus and blood supply takes place. Now metastrum, after the artificial insemination or crossing by bull is done, and if the animal has conceived, once again one more important thing is here, that when the animal shows the sign of heat, the artificial insemination should be done 12 hours after the first sign of heat. Okay, metastrum, 4 days, implantation of embryo takes place, carpus luteum takes place, prevents the growth of Graafian follicle, thereby arrest estrus cycle. Okay, and the last one is, if the animal is not conceived, then further development of uterus takes place and involution of uterus takes place. And if the animal has conceived, then, if not conceived, then the cycle will go on, and if conceived, then further development of uterus will take place in this diastrum stage. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Now let's see some one liners regarding this estrus cycle. Ovulation may be defined as discharge of the egg from Graafian follicle. Range of estrus cycle is 19 to 22 days. What is chemical nature of estrogen? So it is a steroid. Ovum produce fertilizin. Shortest period of estrus cycle is very much easy for you, estrum. Longest period of estrus cycle is diastrum, we have already discussed. Implantation of embryo and corpus luteum take place at which stage of estrus cycle? So it happens in metastrum stage of estrus cycle. So friend, thank you for watching this video, and in the next part I will be bringing the important vaccines, important disease, and disease of cow and buffalo, and how to protect them, vaccination schedule, housing management and all. If you have liked the lecture, please like and comment, and also share, and thank you very much for the discussion.